doing some scrunchies and I cut it, and what I'm gonna do is I'm going to um, iron this piece here before I sew it. That way the lines can be in line. After I'm done with sewing, I turn this inside out, and then I'm going to put the elastic inside of the scrunchie, and this is what's going to give it shape. So you're gonna see how it's gonna look, and voila, this is the final look. So then I'm going to sew these two sides together, and voila, this is the scrunchie. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click on subscribe to the channel, and have a wonderful day.